Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. Dorota, Palicka, International Nail Artist and Educator here. Today we are going to do the simple designs, check them out. Yes, they look quite nice. It is a cat eye effect with a little picture underneath of that, and depending which angle we put the hand, we can see it's slightly different. So I hope you will really enjoy. If you did, subscribe to this channel. Let's start. We've got another cat eye designs, and on this one you can see there is some design underneath. So if I pull like this, you can see there is a love heart and a rose, and then it is a more hidden when we've got the cat eye on it. So it is visible, hidden, visible. And I will show you how to create this look here. There is less layer, but also if we apply more, like on this one, you cannot see it completely what is in there. And then when I pull it down, you can see there is a hidden star in there. I think it's pretty nice and interesting. So hidden star on this one. And I show you how to achieve this look. It will be kind of two-in-one design because even the first part is nothing too complicated. It will look pretty nice on its own as well. So you have to pre-paint your chip in black, and then using the paint on French gel, that's the white gel, I'm going to paint the design. And I think like the stars and the love hearts, we have done so many of them, so you know how to do it. We will paint the rose. So I'm just putting a tiny bit of the product on the side on my mixing palette. And now I'm going to paint the rose. So I'm starting with the middle like a whisk swirl. And then just paint it, the petals. Press harder and then lighter. Harder, lighter. It's good when they kind of overlapping each other as well. I'm just going to prolong this one. You don't want the design which is inside to be too big, just so the cat eye can kind of hide it. I think that's enough. Now we have to give it a cure, and it's going to be a full cure. And then I think it is also I should maybe do another tutorial, or you should understand how to use it. There is a product called alcohol inks, and they're great because they're so nice for marbles, and we can mix the different colors. So after my tip is cured with the gel, I'm going to apply this pigment, and it's going to change the color. I can imagine like painting like all sort of different rainbows on the black, and I think it will look just awesome. So that's my gel cure, and I can apply the pigment. So it is like an alcohol ink, great for marbles as well. And then just apply it on the rose. Of course you need the black background so the ink is not visible on the other parts, and this way the rose is not as flat. You've got some places which are lighter and some places which are darker. So on its own, I think it looks pretty nice. We could just add a swirl and a leaf and color it green, and we've got complete design. I don't think so you would need, or maybe I will do tutorial for the people which didn't watch this one. But yeah, that's another idea for you. So I actually show you that again. So that's the Born Pretty alcohol inks. I'm actually put the link into the description of this video as well. So once this is dry, we are going to do the cat eye. And I will go maybe for a blue for a change. So I've got blue in here. And apply the cat eye. I find that if we do 2 layers, we will receive the effect I have showed you on the first 2 tips. And then the magnet. So I need to push the cat eye more to the middle. More to the middle. And you can see it's going away from the edges. But it kind of feels like it disappears. So then I'm going to bring it back. And then push away. Bring it back. Push away. Bring it back. You can see how strongly I managed to bring it back in here. And then push away. Okay, I'm checking because I wanted it to be right in the middle. It is pretty time consuming, but still more. Okay, so I've got it more to the middle, so it will hide the rose like once I do enough layers. And I have to give it a cure. So here I've got another rose with the white background. Usually the white background is hidden much better. And then the light is so bad. I need to have like really large ring to make sure it's light enough so you can see it, guys. And then it's reflecting. There we are. There is a rose hidden in there. And the first layer is cured, so I can apply another layer. So the white color underneath is hiding better, same like we did it with the star in here. And then different colors, like especially neon ones, they are still going to be visible. So I'm pushing the product to the middle. Look, I'm twisting my magnet as well. And you need to check it in the light, like when is it going to push it in the places you want it. Okay, so depending on the light angle, the rose is either less or more visible. I'm going to give it a cure. And then we do the third layer, which is going to make it even more hidden, like this rose is here. Or a star. I have to leave the tip really high up, otherwise the ring light gives you a bad reflection. And to make it more interesting, you can apply it into the ombre effect. We are almost there. Actually, the more you play it, the better you can play. So the roses is almost disappearing, and then it's going to show up. But you have to push all the product to the middle, like so there is enough coverage of the cat eye. And then give it a cure. Apply the top coat, and that's the design finish. It's a bit time consuming, just like you have to do 3 layers to really hide it, otherwise it's not as visible, the effect. Or what else you could do it is use like a lighter color or a cat eye as well for the design. So you would paint the design with the cat eye, and then it is going to be even less visible, but that's the rose, so you can see it a lot, and then it is hidden. So you can see it, hidden, see it. And that's the designs we have created today. I hope you have enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!